This is Sarah Pack, and for the purpose of the web-based assessment assignment, I have done an infographic for my high school journalism class. I have used canva.com as my resource in order to make the infographic. So students are able to create a free canva.com account where they can make multiple types of designs. So what any type of student can do, they can go to canva.com and search in infographics. Upon searching infographics, there are tons of different themes they can select, any ones that they can choose to fit their purpose, their style. So for the purpose of our unit for high school journalism, in our What is News? What makes something newsworthy unit, I have decided to create an infographic on the 6 elements of news. This is something that the students use and that we go over. So I have created this infographic. Here on the sides, there are templates, elements, uploads, if you have your own pictures that you'd like to use, and adding text. So I have used this template and I have changed the colors to make it a little bit more visually appealing for myself, as well as used a different element here at the bottom, a different graphic. So students can change the themes. Here, going to the elements, they can search what they would like to add. So for this one, I searched news, and I found this graphic here that I used on the bottom. There are also other ones that they can use for free without having to upgrade to the pro version of Canva. Again, here's where they can upload different media. They can also add things from any social media accounts that they might have, as well as different texts. They can add a heading, which is here, any subheadings, and then body of texts. So this is something that we do in our class. I have also included and attached a rubric. All the assignment asked for was for the students to create an infographic on the 6 elements of news, and on the students' version, they need to include an example of what each piece of news is. So for timeliness, they will need to include a example, as well as conflict, consequence, prominence, proximity, and human interest. They will also need to include a works cited page, and they can do this with their infographic if they'd like, where they can just add a page and use their works cited page. So this is my web-based assessment. Thank you.